So I'm getting ready for class this morning, and I had to write some stupid lame poem. My cat stubbed my toe this morning. I have a board next to the door in my room, and he wanted to get out, and he knows how to get out by like pulling a door open because my door doesn't shut all the way. And when he pulled the door open, he knocked the board down, and my toe was right in front of the board, and I didn't realize it, and the board just went boom right on top of my toe. And I think what makes it worse is the board bounced. It bounced right back up and then back down onto my toe. This is a devil cat himself, the one who stubbed my toe this morning. King King! Hey, look! If he wasn't my best friend, he'd be a dead cat.
So, today's kind of an off day for me today. I spent most of my day taking a nap. I haven't really done much today, except bumming around the house. I can't wait to get a job. Hopefully I have one. I'm pretty sure I do. Yeah, the weather today has been pretty much fitting my mood. I'm losing my voice and I don't know why. The weather outside has been kind of like yucky. I hope you can't hear that. I don't know what my stepfather is doing, but he's like making all sorts of like, I don't know, he has like something, some sort of program or something, and he's making all sorts of animal noises with it. Oh gosh. Do you hear that? He's still playing with whatever toy he has out there. Oh my gosh. There's this vlogging challenge that I read about, and I think I'm gonna do it. I already technically did day one. I kind of skipped a day though. I didn't do anything yesterday, really, except use a tape of me and my cat. But today's challenge was supposed to be talk about your favorite band. That alone is a challenge itself, because I don't know what my favorite band is. I have like 3 different bands that I like. I like Lifehouse, which is the only one you're probably gonna know if you know them at all. Actually, they've been my favorite band since I was probably like, I'd say 14, and I'm like 21 now, so I've actually been to one of their concerts, and it was amazing. It was the best night of my life. I'm not even kidding. And I also got to see Daughtry with them. It was so cool. And yeah, it was pretty cool. Also, my other 2 favorite bands are Boyce Avenue. They're here on YouTube. I'll probably put a link in the description for them. They're so awesome. My other favorite band is Trading Yesterday. They don't exist anymore, but they're actually under another name. I forget what it is, but they're another one of my favorite bands. Those are my top 3 favorite bands. And I guess that's it for my video today. I'll be posting another video tomorrow, hopefully, if things go according to plan, if I don't have another off day. Alright, so, peace out.